Today we're going to learn a song about something we probably haven't done in the last 2 years, which is leaving on a jet plane. Ukulele wine time. Okay, heyo. So to play this song, Leaving on a Jet Plane, John Denver, we need C. So that is your 1, 2, 3. Ring finger on the 1, 2, 3. 3rd fret. Just a note about these chords, if you don't need this brief chord review, you can skip ahead to the next timestamp to start learning the song. So we've got our C chord here, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of our G, C, E, A string of your bottom string there. So that's our C chord. Next we need an F chord. So peace sign fingers, your middle finger or second ukulele finger, 1, 2, is going to go on the 1, 2, 2nd fret of your top string or your G string, and then skip a string, and then your pointer finger is going to go on the 1st fret of your G, C, E string, or the 3rd string down from the top. So it's going to look like that. That's our F chord. Nice. And then finally we have our G chord. And just a quick note, I review all these chords more in depth, including a combo challenge, kind of moving back and forth between the chords in another video. So check that out. Check, check. Okay, so we need our G chord here. So it's these 3 fingers. So we'll start with our peace sign fingers again. So we're on the 2nd fret with those 2. So on the 2nd fret, and then you skip a string in the middle there, and then your ring finger comes down on the 3rd fret to that string that you skipped, and there's our G chord. Okay, so we've got C, F, and G. Whoo, that was hard work. Getting a little thirsty. Cheers to you. Okay, let's do it. Leaving on a jet plane. So this song is just an awesome, super basic, super simple ukulele song to learn. It's actually the same the whole way through, from the verse to the pre-chorus to the chorus, the whole way through. So you just need to learn one basic pattern the whole time. If you want to go super, super simple, you can just do downstrokes for each chord, just with your thumb going down on the ukulele. If you're ready for to zhuzh up your strumming pattern a little bit, we can do the traditional, or I don't know, traditional, but we can do down, down, up, down, up pattern. Okay, so I'll put that on the screen and I'll kind of show both variations so you can choose whichever one feels best for you at this moment in time, and then you can level up, level up, level up. One note about your starting pitch. This is super, super important because the starting pitch is a little funky in this song. So our first chord is C. So if we know solfege, do, re, mi, fa, or we can just go to the scale, da, 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 da. That's actually our first note, and it sounds a little clashy, but it's actually kind of awesome. All my bags are packed. So just a little note there about your starting pitch. That's our C, all my bags are packed. Okay, our C chord is first, and then we go to our F chord. I'm ready to go. Back to C, I'm standing here. Back to F, outside your door. Back to C, hate to wake you up to say goodbye. So we're switching C, F, C, F, C, F, G. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. That's basically the whole song. So let's review that one more time. I'm going to count this time. I'm going to tap with my foot. So I'm going to keep time there, and I'm going to sing the verse. Here we go. So it starts on C. Here we go. 1, 2. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. but the dawn is breaking. It's early morn. The taxi's waiting. He's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. Okay, how'd you do? Once again, if you're not ready for a strumming pattern, you can just do a simple downstroke. I would start there. Keep it nice and simple around the campfire, not wanting to get too fancy. Downstrokes for all of those chords. And it's the same for the verse and the pre-chorus and the chorus. So we're actually going to do one round of that just with counting. So let's take the lyrics away. And we're going to count the chords. So check this out. They're going to get 4 counts each, and I'll put those on the screen for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2. Here's our G chord coming up. G, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3. Back to C. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2. Here's our G. G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice it with the chords first. Then you can add in the lyrics if you're singing it as well. And then I would do downstrokes first, and then if you want to add the strumming pattern. So let's actually do it once with counting, and we'll do the strumming pattern. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. D, 2. One more time. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C. F, 2, 3, 4. C. F, G. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. Nice. How did you do? So you can play your strumming pattern, and you can actually switch it up between the verses if you want to get more musical, add some dynamics, some loud and soft there. You could do just the downstrokes on the verses, and then you could pick it up for the pre-chorus, which is the "So kiss me and smile for me." That part is the pre-chorus. You could do your strumming pattern there, and then keep that going for the chorus. One other variation, if you want to get fancy, is you could kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. And I'm just going down from top to bottom. Each of my 4 fingers gets a string. And I'm just going through all of the notes in the chord. So with the C chord and then moving to the F chord. So instead of doing it down like that, I'm plucking. So that's a variation you could try. Let's try the verse. We'll do 2 verses, a pre-chorus, and a chorus. Ready? You're ready. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I All right. Oh my God, I love this song. Thank you for playing this song with me today. Check out below for a link to the lead sheet. There'll be chords and the lyrics there if you want to check that out. Cheers to you, and I'll see you soon. Ukulele wine time.